Welcome to the subject selection video presentation for legal studies. Type of course. Legal studies is a category A course. This means a course has academic rigour, depth of knowledge, degree to which the course contributes to assumed knowledge for tertiary studies, and the coherence with other courses included in the ATAR calculations. Why study law? Legal studies will help develop skills in critical thinking and analysis, problem solving, formal writing, explaining of complex ideas, persuasive presentation, research, public speaking, mooting and debating. Overview of the course, Year 11. The core Part 1, the legal system, consists of basic legal concepts, sources of contemporary Australian law, classification of law, law reform, and law reform in action. Core Part 2, the individual and the law. In this topic, you will look at your rights and responsibilities, resolving disputes, contemporary issues involving the individual and technology. Core Part 3, Law in Practice. The Law in Practice unit is designed to provide opportunities for students to deepen their understanding of the principles of law covered in the first sections of the course. This section may be integrated with Part 1 or Part 2. Overview of the course, Year 12. Core Part 1, Crime. In this topic, students will learn about the nature of crime, the criminal investigation process, the criminal trial process, sentencing and punishment, young offenders, and international crime. The weighting for this component of the course is 30%. Core Part 2, Human Rights. In this topic, students will learn about the nature and development of human rights, promoting and enforcing human rights, contemporary issues. The weighting for this component of the course is 20%. Part 3, Options. Students will choose 2 options from the list below. They include consumers, global environmental protection, family, Indigenous people, shelter, workplace, world order. The weighting for this component of the course is 50%. Excursions. Students may be able to participate in excursions to the Newcastle Local Court and District Courts, the Downing Centre Local and District Courts, Maitland Jail. Incursions. Students may participate in mock trials, role plays, guest presentations from law enforcement agencies, guest presentations from non-government organisations. Law careers in courts. The types of employment within the court system include judge, judge associate, tipstaff, registrar, law clerk, magistrate, court reporter, legal management executive, mediator or an arbitrator, and legal administrative assistant. Careers outside of courts could fall into 3 category areas: the public sector, the private sector, charity and non-government organisations. Examples of the public sector include police officers, policy officer, immigration officer. Examples of the private sector include a mediator, human resource person, sales and marketing. Examples of charity and non-government organisations include humanitarian sector and the advocacy lobby group sector.